Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a Windows 10 Microsoft Store error 8x8000 FFFF. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that go to your search box and type a cmd. Open a command prompt, run as administrator, type a ws reset and press enter. After doing these steps, it's required approximately within 1 minute. Now close it. And the second method is that go to your settings of the Windows, go to your apps. In the search box, type a Microsoft Store. Click on Microsoft Store, go to your additional options, scroll down and click on a reset. Close it. The third method is that in the search box type a Powersheet, right click and run as administrator. After opening that, first of all copy the first command. It's available into the video description. Press enter. Okay guys, now copy a second command. It's also available into the video description. Paste and press enter. After doing this step, type a exit. After that, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after doing this step your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.